This is the repair kit for the Samsung power supply BN44-00199A. The kit consists of 6 capacitors that need to be upgraded. Now, sometimes the capacitors will bulge on the top. As you can see on this board, they did not bulge, but they are still defective, and it is recommended that they all be replaced. So some of these will have some glue holding them together, and you can just cut that out or cut into it. And you can start with the 2 on top. These are 820 microfarads at 25 volts. And all you need is a soldering iron. And you can pull out by heating one leg, pulling on it, hitting the other, pulling on it until it comes out easily. That's one. Two. And you can remove some of this solder to make it easier to put the new ones on. And it will be easier to just take 2 out at a time, that way you don't get confused. So these were both the 820s, and you want to make sure you match up the negative side. So the capacitors will have assigned negative, and here these are both marked as negative by having the white line and the white lines. So we just put that in, put the other in. And these are physically a little bigger than the originals, but as long as the wires go through, it will work. They don't have to be perfectly straight on the other side. And then just a little solder to cover the pin in the hole. And some wire cutters to get rid of the excess. And now the 470s at 25 volts, we will do the same. Heat one leg and pull, heat the other and pull. Now with those out of the way, it may be easier now to go ahead and remove the other 2. Those are the 1000 at 10 volt, and those are going to be upgraded to 1000 at 16 volts. So we'll do those 2 1000 at 16s, again making sure that the polarity is correct, the negative side to the white markings on both. And then the 470s, these went up to 470 at 35. Let's see. The originals were 470 at 25. And just make sure that you did not accidentally drop any solder on any other points. And we are done.